Welcome to M.Goldman channel and watch the subtitles to my video in any language using auto translator in YouTube video settings. TradingView is one of the best platforms for technical analysis and social networking at the year ending 2022. But unlike other trading platforms, which are totally free, it offers paid subscription plans to unlock its full potential. The free version of TradingView suffers from ad distractions and slow data flow, with no facility of publishing your ideas or videos. But there are features worth exploring on the desktop application of TradingView, which you can download for Windows, Mac, or Linux operating system. The application looks like a website with its tabs on the top, but you can simply click and hold the tab to move the chart to another monitor screen, to simultaneously view multiple charts on multiple screens. You can sign up for free to TradingView with your Google ID or through email. Just fill in your details and click to create account and verify your email. After they sign in, go to Products menu and click onto Charts to open up your main platform screen. You can change the color scheme of the chart with a right click of the mouse, selecting color theme to dark. And here you can see the dark theme. We can go back to our white theme by selecting light. The chart in display pertains to Bitcoin versus US dollar with its symbol written in the left top corner. It's on 30 minutes time frame base, data provided by a Coinbase broker. The green dot indicates that the market is open. Next to the symbol of the chart, we have got a plus sign utilized for comparing two charts on one screen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Next on toolbar is our time frame option, in which we can select a few and even customize it, but only in case of paid version. Let's say we want to change the time frame of the chart to 1 hour, and here you can see the time frame of the chart has been changed and the star selected time options have been reflected through the toolbar. You can choose the chart type to bars, hollow candles, or few other options as you desire, but I do prefer candle type. You can apply up to 3 indicators per chart in case of free version of TradingView, and more can be applied under the paid subscription. Let's say we apply volume indicator over here, and the same has been applied onto the chart with a single click. Other indicators are the candlestick pattern or the auto indicators and volume profile. The strategies in TradingView are referred to as expert advisors in MT5 and as CBOT in CTrader. The financial indicators are meant for stocks, or you can even choose amongst the community scripts as an indicator or write your own in the Pine editor. You can save the template of the chart and later apply them onto other charts with a single click. You can also create an alert for any price condition, and it will notify you in the form of a pop-up or an email or a message onto your mobile. The replay function is quite useful for testing any strategy under the strategy tester option. You can also have a layout of up to 8 charts per screen, but only with premium packages. On the left side of this chart screen, you can find your tools for technical analysis. On the top left, you have got your cursor choices, trend line tools, Gann and Fibonacci tools. You can apply any tool with a single click. Pinpoint to the location where you want to apply the tool and you are done. You can change the settings of the tool easily. Let's say we have extended the lines to the right. Further, if you notice that the Fibonacci tool has been applied on the chart, but it is not connecting to the wick of the candle. Let's say we apply the magnet, and you can notice that the point gets automatically attracted to the nearest wick of the candle. Further, below the Fibonacci tools, you have got your geometric shapes, the text annotations, chart patterns, prediction and measurement tools, the icon, the ruler, the magnifying tool. Let's undo the magnet and stay in drawing mode. If you want to draw more than one tool, you can lock all drawing tools and hide them or unhide them. And if you want to delete your tool. On the right side of the chart, you can see two widgets. The bottom widget relates to the performance indicator of the currency pair in the chart, and the data is provided by the concerned broker, which at the moment is Coinbase. Let's do away with add distraction. The top right widget is a watch list for viewing prices of various currency pairs, stocks, and other indices. You can create your own watch list by adding symbols from the plus sign and choosing symbols of your choice. You can change the chart by a single click to watch list. And here you can see that the chart has been changed. Even the data provider has been changed because we selected the symbol of that data provider. You can also hide and unhide the widgets. Below the watch list and details symbol, we have got an alert symbol on the toolbar where we can create an alert and see the log of the alerts. Next we have got data window. Next is the hot list for various exchanges. Further down we have an economic calendar. Next 6 symbols on the right side of the toolbar pertain to social networking. The first one, you can create ideas and publish them, but not possible on free version of TradingView. Following which you have got your chat rooms. Presently we are in the gold trading chat room. You can change the chat room from the below widget or participate in the public chat room, but only under the paid plan. Next we have a private chat room where we can chat privately with any selected person. Followed by idea stream where you will be notified of these ideas published by the persons to whom you follow. Next button pertains to streams published by others, and you can select any to view. Further down you have your notifications button where you will be notified of any new person following you or mentioning your idea in the chats. Below the notifications you have your order panel, but presently you cannot trade till the time you get connected to your broker, as the TradingView does not offer any trading options directly. Let's hide this window and hit upon the trading panel option to find our broker. Here again you have your option to either go for paper trading and connect to an account for trading with virtual money. This account is also referred to as a demo account in other trading platforms. In order to trade in a live account with real money, you can either open an account with any of the brokers given amongst the choices, or you can look for your broker with whom you already have an account. Say, for example, in my case, we connect to a broker. Fill in the login credentials of your trading account and press connect. You can see that your trading account has been integrated with TradingView with your broker's name written on the left. But you can see in the right pane that the data provider of the symbol in the chart is some other than your broker. So you need to change it, and you need to change it to your broker, and say in this case we select this one. You can now see that the data provider of the chart symbol has been changed to your broker's name. Further, the sell and buy buttons are now being shown in the filled colors, which means that you can place your order, of the volume being shown in the center of the two and the spread on the top. You can change the volume you want to trade with a minus sign or plus sign, whichever you want to do, and place the market order with a single click onto the sell or buy button. Another option, you can go over to the right order pane and click onto the market and opt for buy or sell of the currency pair you want to trade. You can change the volume from here as well and place the market order. Alternative to open order, you can preset your values for take profit and stop loss and adjust your risk as per desire. In case you want to buy or sell a pair at a price other than the market, you may opt for limit, stop or stop limit orders. On the right toolbar below the order panel button, you can see depth of market button, which is pretty useful for placing limit orders in non-volatile pairs. Underneath depth of market, we've got object tree button, which is quite useful for hiding, unhiding or grouping the objects on the charts. Below it, we have got a help center. Let's move back to our main screen for more information. You can see a time clock which you can set for your own time zone. A little above on the price scale, you can see a timer which indicates the time remaining in closing of the present candlestick bar. If you're already logged in to your trading account with your broker, you can delete some symbols from the watch list and add to your watch list the tradable pairs from your broker. And you see the same have been added over here. And you can change the chart on screen with a single click onto your watch list. Let's go over to paper trading for a little example on trading. Let's connect to paper trading. Let's see a quick example of a trade, say on 15 minutes chart with the price volume changed as per desire. We place a market order, say on the sell side. You can see a short sell order has been placed on GBP USD with the quantity and price as shown on the table. You can see that it's an open order with no take profit or stop loss position. We can set it up by simply hovering onto the price line and dragging the SL wherever we want it to go and TP the take profit to the point we would like to have it. And you will notice that the same values have been reflected in the table as well. If at any point you believe that the price is going to go against you and for a long time, you can always reverse the order whenever you would like. And if you feel that the price may reverse and you would like to lock into your profit, you may simply close the trade by crossing. I hope you liked my tutorial on TradingView platform and would look forward to my future videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.